Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Students Hub. I am Vanilla. Today in this video, we will be learning interesting topic that is BODMAS. BODMAS is a short form of bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Let's start. Question arrives. How is BODMAS rule going to help in solving an expression? This rule says that in an expression containing brackets, the first things that need to simplify the brackets. Then we should simplify division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. But can you think of the reason why BODMAS rule was made?
What does its use?
Why can't we solve any operation first? Let's see an example of this.
Example here 2 into 4 plus 5 minus 2. Let's solve this problem using with BODMAS rule. If an expression contains brackets and multiple operations, then to read the correct answers, what needs to be solved first? Let's see what will be the answers for this expression. Since it has brackets, we will first solve the terms inside the bracket. Here we have 4 plus 5, so that is 9. That becomes 2 multiplied by 9 minus 2. So now we have simplified the bracket. Next,
According to BODMAS rule, what should be performed first? That is division. But here there is no division. The second one is multiplication. Should be done first. So we get 2 into 9 is 18 minus 2 is which equals be 16. The answer is 16. So if you would have solved this problem without using BODMAS rule, that is an incorrect order. Do you think we got a correct answer? Let's try without using BODMAS rule. Let's see an example, that is 2 into 4 plus 5 minus 2. Let's solve this problem without using BODMAS rule.
let's start here. So we will multiply 2 and 4 first. We get 8. That becomes 8 plus 5 minus 2, which is equals to 13 minus 2. That is 11.
This is not correct answer. Any expressions that needs to solve by BODMAS rule and in the correct order. If we use in wrong order, its results has incorrect answer. Let us see another example. 4 into 2 divided to minus 5 plus 6 with using BODMAS rule. In this question, according to BODMAS rule, what should be performed first? That is bracket. But in this there is no bracket. Second one is division. Here in this problem, the division is 2 divided 2. That is 1. That become 4 into 1 minus 5 plus 6. In this, the first is multiplication. We should multiply 4 into 1. That is 4. That becomes 4 minus 5 plus 6. In this, perform first addition. That is 4 beside there is no symbol, that is plus. 4 plus 6, that is 10. It becomes 10 minus 5. The answer is 5. Let us see another example. Here 5 plus 6 divided 2 plus 4 into 4 minus 7. According to BODMAS rule, should perform first division. Here 6 divided 2 is 3. That becomes 5 plus 3 plus 4 into 4 minus 7. In this, second is multiplication. In this, 4 into 4 is multiplied. That is 4 into 4 is 16. That becomes 5 plus 3 plus 16 minus 7. Again, next addition. In this, 5 plus 3 is addition. 5 plus 3 is 8. Yeah, that becomes 8 plus 16 minus 7. Then
We should do addition, that is 8 plus 16, that is 24.
Minus 7. 24 minus 7, that is 17. Let us see another example. Here 3 minus 5 into 8 divided 2 plus 6. In this division, 8 divided 2, that is 4, that becomes 3 minus 5 into 4 plus 6. Then in this multiplication is 5 into 4 is 20, that becomes 3 minus 20 plus 6. Then in this the addition is 3 plus 6, that is 9, minus 20, that becomes minus 11. The answer is minus 11. Let's see another example. Here 2 plus 8 into 4 minus 3. In this the first is we should multiply 8 into 4, that is 32. That becomes 2 plus 32 minus 3. Next, we should add 2 plus 32, that is 34 minus 3. That becomes 34 minus 3. The answer is 31. I think you understand these problems. Hello friends, try these questions and comment the answers. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos.